Hey everyone, welcome back to Ghost Chill Developer. Today, I've got something special for all you Java devs out there. Whether you're gearing up for Spring Boot or eyeing full stack territory, you gotta have your Java basics locked down, especially when it comes to variables and databases. So let's break it down fast and clear. First up, variables. In Java, a variable is just a container for data. Think of it like a labeled jar on your code shelf. You declare the type first, then the name like this. That's an integer variable called age, holding, you guessed it, the value 25. Java's strict about types, so you can't drop a string into an int jar or vice versa. Let's recap the big data types you'll use all the time. There's for whole numbers, for decimals, for true or false, and for text. Here's a quick example. Easy, right? Now, why does this matter for databases? Because every time you interact with a database in Java, you're moving data between your variables and your database tables. Imagine you've got a user table with columns for name, age, and balance. You use variables in your code to pull data out of the database, change it, and push it back in. Let's say you're using JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. You'd write something like this. Then you loop through that result set and map each column to a Java variable. Here's the trick. The types in your variable declarations have to match the types in your database. If your database column is a varchar, you need a string. int column? Use int. If you mix them up, get ready for errors. So before you jump into frameworks like Spring Boot, nail these basics. Declare your variables with the right types. Understand how to map database columns to Java variables. And always keep your data types straight. It'll save you hours of debugging. Alright, that's a wrap for today's Java Basics Sprint. If you want to see more tips for backend devs, or you're ready to level up with Spring Boot, hit subscribe and drop your questions below. Remember, solid foundations make powerful apps. See you in the next one, Ghost Chillers.